Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with some of the updates of Thalapathy Vijay's upcoming film, that is Beast. So before I start up, if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe it and press the bell notification to get all the updates of my videos. So let's just start up. So in this video we are going to talk about the look of Beast and the track songs and all the songs of music composers who is going to compose the musics of Thalapathy Vijay's Beast upcoming movie. We are going to talk about all those things. So let's start with the look which have been revealed on Thalapathy Vijay's birthday. The first look was so fiery and so outstanding, like he was holding a gun and he was looking so mind-blowing in that. But as comparative to the first look, the second look was most deadliest look, because in the second look he was just holding a gun with bullet in his mouth, and he was wearing white shirt with black shades, and in the background we can just see the helicopter, and he was looking most handsome Hulk in that. So in both the looks he just rocked the look, and I think by seeing both the posters of his look in Beast movie, I personally feel like he is going to be different in this movie also, because the look is totally different as comparative to his all the movies which personally I have seen, and the makers have given the best name to the movie, because Thalapathy Vijay, whenever he comes with his movies, he just give us a feast, like give fans as a feast, as a gift. And the Beast movie is the best name for Thalapathy Vijay. Like he is the biggest superstar in South industry, so we can feel like the Beast mode is on for Thalapathy Vijay. So the looks were so awesome, so mind-blowing, and so fiery look. This content will be also so fiery. By seeing the poster itself, we can recognize that, and Thalapathy Vijay is always fiery only. So the looks were so awesome and so amazing, so outstanding. Like, we are just waiting to see few more looks of Thalapathy Vijay Beast, because Beast mode is on, guys. And I got some of the updates of his songs also. There will be total 5 songs in Beast movie, which will be purely given by Anirudh. And Anirudh is the best music composer and singer in our Indian music industry, because he's seriously great, guys. Lastly, he have given all the BGM effects and all the songs, all the music effects in Master movie also, and all those songs were record breaking songs, because he just did a awesome thing. And his best music gives us a 1 million track for Master movie track also, that have breaked the record of 1 million views. That is so outstanding, because Anirudh is best in his way. So as Anirudh is giving the music to all the Beast songs also, so we can think more level up for this Beast musics also. And there will be total, I said, like there will be total 5 songs, and in that we can see Pooja Hedge and Thalapathy Vijay combination in 3 songs, and there will be one romantic single song also between Thalapathy Vijay and Pooja Hedge. That will be so interesting to see. So the shootings of Beast is on mode, guys. Daily there are updates coming, like shooting is going on in airport area, shooting is going on there, shooting is going on there for Thalapathy Vijay upcoming film movie, for Thalapathy Vijay film Beast. So Beast mode is on. We are just hoping to see more and more updates and more looks of Thalapathy Vijay, because both these looks which they have revealed, they are so awesome and so fiery. And I'm seriously so excited to listen up the music given by Anirudh, and BGM given up by Anirudh, because he's just awesome in his film. I'll keep on updating about his film Beast So do subscribe my channel and press the bell notification also, and press the like button. Bye bye.